Natural beauty that meets glam. I love having items that have special meanings behind them, like the pineapples, an expression of welcome. And now my latest, the Laurel Wreath. And they symbolize external glory of special achievement, success, and triumph. And that's the short version. In an earlier video, I shared this wreath by designer Kathy Koo, and I love it. But not the price. I have 3 affordable options you can make for a lot less. For those of you who don't know, I am one of the Better Homes and Gardens at Walmart style maker, and each month on my blog I share practical and affordable products from Walmart. Last month I shared these awesome recliners. This month on my blog I'm sharing home decor that sparks joy, and I've made a few changes in our loft space, and I will be doing a fall tour in this space really soon. I will provide a link to my blog in the description box if you want to see. For $29, you can get this golden antique sculpture from Pier. It sits on a black iron base, and the plan was to cover the base with marble contact paper, but I wasn't loving this particular paper, so instead I painted it instead. To take it a step further, to make it look like the designer one, I picked off faux olives off some stems I already had and hot glued them to the wreath. This wreath has a Hollywood Regency style that fits with almost any decor, and it's given me the look I want without the heavy price tag. Kirklands have galvanized wreaths on a stand that's on clearance right now. I gave it a quick coat of champagne spray paint, but you can certainly leave it the way it is, especially if you love farmhouse charm. In case you can't find a wreath on a stand, you can make one. This wreath is from Hobby Lobby, and making this was a little challenging because it's bigger and it's a little heavier. You will need a foam cube, marble contact paper or craft paper, wire, scissors, and hot glue, and a dowel. I chose the green top dowel to suit the weight of my wreath. Cut your contact or craft paper to fit the cube and hot glue it to the cube. Next, I cut my dowel to the height I wanted. Then I spray painted it the same champagne color as the wreath. Then I used wire and intertwined it around the wreath and the dowel so it wouldn't tip over, and I hot glued the dowel inside the cube. I've always loved the Laurel Wreath, and here's another fun way how you can incorporate it into your seasonal decor. You can place one in your entryway table or even on your side table with these fun cable knit sweater pumpkins I scored at TJMaxx, and you will be seeing them again. I even placed it on my built-in next to my owls I got last year from Pier. I did a little DIY to update them by placing Swarovski crystals, and this is what they looked like before. I know which leaf stand is my favorite, but I would like to know in the comments which one is your favorite. And I want to thank you all for watching.